Good morning and welcome to discussion 2. We're going to be going over the epidemiological description of a disease and what you're going to do for this assignment. You're going to start off by picking an infectious disease that appears in the United States, and I want you to include the following. How many times the disease has appeared in the United States in the most recent year? Sometimes you'll only be able to find data from 2011 to say 2015, and that's the most current data on this. Sometimes you'll be able to find it for last year. I want you to make sure you include the number of cases that this disease appeared. I also want you to discuss the transmission of the disease. How does the disease get transmitted? Does it come through an animal, an insect? How does it get transmitted? The risk factors for the disease. You'll need to go over who's more susceptible to becoming infected with this particular disease. You'll then also need to go over the treatment and also the prevention of the disease. What's being done to prevent this? Is it prevalent in the U.S.? Is it very rare? I then want you to cite your sources, make sure they are reliable sources such as the CDC. After you complete that assignment, you will go and after you complete your video assignment through Screencast-O-Matic, you're then going to upload your particular disease for the class discussion. You will then go type on another student's under their post about elaborating on their particular disease. So, for example, if you chose yellow fever, you did your video, you discussed yellow fever, you went through all the points that I mentioned, then you would upload your video, go to another student's their post, and you would elaborate on, say, Terry chose HIV. You're going to elaborate maybe on the history of HIV and when it first appeared in the United States. So that is the assignment. I look forward to reading all about the different diseases. I want you to make sure that you're reading other students' posts so that you're learning about these infectious diseases and when they appear in the United States and what to pay attention to. This is how we see epidemiology in our world today.